welcome to our channel, Giggle and Learn with us.
Good morning, class. Today we are going to learn animal sound and some fun facts about them. Are you ready to guess?
Ooh, I love guessing games. I'm ready, teacher.
Great. I'll play an animal sound, and you try to guess what animal it is. Let's begin.
That's easy. Roll. It's a lion.
Correct. And did you know? Lions may sound fierce, but they sleep for up to 20 hours a day.
Lazy king of the jungle. That's a monkey.
Yes, monkeys are very clever and love playing around, just like someone I know.
That's me. Is it a python?
Right again. Pythons are big, strong snakes. And guess what? They squeeze their food instead of biting.
Yikes! I don't know.
That would be a seal. Seals can mimic human voices and even sing songs. Maybe they want to join a band.
Parrot.
Yup! Parrots are excellent mimics. They can copy sounds and words they hear often. So be careful what you say.
I better not tell it my secrets. Is that a laughing hyena?
Yes! Hyenas really do laugh. But it's not because they're watching cartoons. It's how they talk to each other.
Talking with giggles? I want to try that. That's my favorite, elephant.
Correct. Elephants are the largest land animals, and they use their trunks to hug, eat, and even spray water.
That's a blue whale.
Right again. Blue whales are the biggest animals on Earth, and their songs can be heard hundreds of miles away underwater.
That's like an underwater concert.
Anshu, you did an amazing job. Kids, how many did you guess right?
Okay, here's a final quiz for you. Which animal sleeps the longest? A lion, a parrot, an elephant, or a monkey?
Type your answer in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun with Anshu.
Bye! See you next time.